relaxers, once a go-to solution for achieving that smooth, sleek look, have a story that's worth unraveling. Initially, they served as a convenient product for taming unruly locks, but over the years, a concerning pattern emerged. The journey begins with the beauty industry offering chemical hair relaxers to countless individuals. These products were favored for their ability to transform hair textures, but they hid a troubling secret. For years, women across the nation turned to these hair relaxers, unaware of the potential risks they carried. Reports started surfacing, painting a grim picture of the damage they could cause. The revelation came through a comprehensive study by the National Institutes of Health, or NIH. More than 33,000 women were surveyed over 11 years, and what they found was deeply unsettling. Women who used these hair relaxers and straighteners 4 or more times a year faced a doubled risk of developing uterine cancer, a risk that was significantly higher among African American women. It didn't end there. Previous research had already linked chemical hair straighteners and dyes to increased risks of breast and ovarian cancer, making the situation even more alarming. The gravity of the situation became all too real when courageous women like Jenny Mitchell stepped forward. She filed a lawsuit claiming that chemical hair relaxers had put her at risk for uterine cancer. The lawsuit names 5 different cosmetic companies, each with their own brand of hair relaxer, with L'Oreal being one of the prominent defendants. This lawsuit marked a turning point and could potentially lead to a mass tort class action, bringing justice to those affected. But the questions remain, what makes these hair relaxers so dangerous? While the NIH study didn't specify brands, certain chemicals have come under scrutiny. Parabens, bisphenol A, metals, and formaldehyde have been linked to disrupting hormones, harming fertility, and even causing cancer. But the heart of the matter lies in the rising cases of uterine cancer, particularly among Black women. The National Cancer Institute study has sounded the alarm, revealing a worrying trend. The study found that deaths from this cancer type were highest among non-Hispanic Black women, raising concerns about health disparities. Knowing the symptoms is crucial. Women with uterine cancer may experience unusual vaginal bleeding, abnormal pap test results, and pelvic pain. However, it's essential to remember that uterine cancer is treatable, especially when detected early. Surgery, radiation therapy, chemotherapy, and other therapies can make a difference. If you or a loved one has suffered after using hair relaxers, compensation may be on the horizon. These cases are progressing, and a class action MDL might be in the works. The statute of limitations on tort claims like hair relaxer lawsuits might be anywhere from 2 to 6 years, depending on what state you live in. The potential settlement value for these cases ranges from $400,000 to $750,000, and our product liability lawyers are here to help. If you or someone you know has been impacted, don't wait. Reach out to Schmidt Clark law firm today for a free hair relaxer lawsuit evaluation. Together, we can make a difference. Schmidt Clark, a national law firm helping individuals and families since 1992. Thank you.